Very good morning, children. So last class I had completed lesson number 3. So today I have come out with the small poem and lesson number 4, children, for you. Okay. So the lesson number 4 is, where is Polly? Okay. Polly is a pretty parrot. I'll explain the lesson for you now. Okay. Before that, there's a small poem, children, about the moon. Okay. So come to page number 32. So this is a poem named The Moon. Okay, page number 32. Page number 32. Okay. So just listen to the rhymes, children, poem, children. Okay. Take out your textbook. Okay. Just listen to me what I am explaining about that. Okay. The moon. When do you find the moon? In the night times. Okay. So, oh, look at the moon. She is shining up there. So, night times when you see the moon, what it will be? It will shining like a light. Right now? Yes. Oh, mother. She looks like a lamp in the air. She looks like a lamp. So, if you switch on the light in the dark, how it looks bright, no? Like that only. If you go outside and you watch the moon, it will be looking like a round lamp, round bulb. Okay. Yes, like a lamp in the air. Come to the next one. Last week, she was smaller and shaped like a bow. But now she's grown bigger and round as an O. So here, the moon has 3 shapes, children. Okay, I'll just explain you once. See, I'll just write it on the board. This is full moon. Okay, and this one is the half moon. Okay, in the moon only it will become half. And one more is there, that is the thin one. This is the crescent moon. They call it as crescent moon. This is full moon. Full moon, half moon, and this is called as crescent. Crescent moon. It will be looking like a ring for you. Okay. It looks like a beautiful ring. The finger ring which you wear, which your mommy, papa all will be wearing, no? It looks like a ring only, children. So this is full moon, this is half moon, and this is the crescent moon. So when you see the full moon and the half moon in the sky, you will be getting little bit of light. When it is crescent moon, it will not be, light will not be seen. It will be little bit darker only, children. Okay. So this is the full moon. So the child is asking the mother, last week she was smaller. Smaller means this is the shape. This or this, either this. Okay. It will be in a half moon or in the crescent moon shape. Okay. And shaped like a bow. So this is called as bow. The shape of a bow is like this only, no? So it will shape of. And now she's grown bigger and round as an O. Okay, so it is round in the circle shape. Okay, come to the next one. Pretty moon, how do you shine on the door and make it all bright? Oh, my nursery floor. So the child is telling, pretty moon. Pretty moon looks very pretty at the night, no? So she's telling, pretty moon, how you shine on the door and make it all bright on my nursery floor. So the floor, in the night times, what you do, if the moon is visible from your window, you can see it looks round on the floor also, children, and it will be, light will be falling on the floor like that. Okay. You shine on my playthings and show me their places. And I love to look up at your pretty bright face. So you shine on my playthings means if your power is not there at home, if the moonlight is entering inside your house, you can find out few things at home, no? Right now, children, okay? If you missed out something, if it has fallen something, slowly you can search and take it from the moonlight itself, okay? So, and you show me their places. So, She has kept some playthings there. So she is finding the playthings. The light is falling on her playthings and she is able to see that. And I love to look up. I love to look up means, so night, when the night comes, happens, immediately the moon comes up on the sky. No, the time many children like to see the moon at the night times. Like even the babies also. So what mother will tell you, see Chanda Mama is there. So have your food. The Chanda Mama will come to you. He will sleep with you. He will play with you. Many things mummy and grandma will be telling for you, no children? Yes, like that. Okay, I love to look up. So once the dark night happens, the moon comes up, no? Every time we'll be coming and peeping outside, how is the moon looks like, okay? At your pretty bright face. So moon is looking very pretty in the sky. So she likes to look at the pretty face. Yes, got it children? This was a small rhyme about the moon. Yes, now come to the page number 33. Come to page number 33. That is the lesson about a parrot, children. Okay, I have drawn a small parrot on the board. Not exactly parrot, children. Little bit I have drawn. So you can see. Okay, this is lesson number 4. Where is Polly? It's a small lesson about a parrot. Okay. So you can see the first picture. What you see in the first picture? This is Ben. The boy's name is Ben. He has a parrot. The parrot is green. What color is the parrot? Green color. Ben calls her Polly. He keeps her in a cage. So you can see in the textbook what is there. He has kept a parrot inside the cage. So where will the birds be, children? They will be kept it in the cage. Few birds will be roaming outside in the sky, but these are the beautiful birds. So what they do? They keep it in the cage. Few people, they bring it home and they keep it in the home also. Have you seen the love birds? Those things all. If you go to an aquarium shop, many colorful birds, they have kept it. They have kept pigeon, they have kept a dove, and they have kept parrots, macaw, lovebirds. Many birds are there, children. Many beautiful, colorful birds will be there. Okay, so few people like to have the birds at the home. So they keep it in a small cage. Okay, like that. Ben calls her Polly. So the parrot's name is Polly. It is called as Polly. Okay. So there's a small rhyme also. Pretty Polly, pretty dear, falling sick, call the doctor, like that. When we were the small children, my grandma, my grandfather, my daddy, mummy, all were telling the rhymes for me. Okay, like that I am explaining you now. Okay, so this is pretty Polly. Pretty Polly means you're looking very pretty in the small days. When you're a baby, you'll be like looking very pretty, no? So they will compare you to the parrot. So you'll be looking very pretty. So parrot's name is also Polly. Pretty Polly, pretty dear, like that. Okay. Yes. Next is, it is a sunny day. Ben calls out, Polly, Polly. Ben is calling out, Polly, Polly. Where are you, Polly? Polly is not in her cage. Where has she gone? She has gone out of the cage. She has come out of the cage. Oh my God, where has she gone? So now what happens to you? If you don't see your pet animals at home, what happens for you? You start crying only. Like that, even the Ben also started crying. Oh, my pretty Polly is not there. My parrot has gone somewhere out. So Ben looks for Polly. She is not in the living room. So what he does, once the pet is missing, what you do? You go under the bed, you search behind the door, up top of the window. Everywhere you go in search of your pet, like that. He also started searching like that. Ben looks for Polly. She is not in the living room. Living room is the place where you sit and watch TV, those things all. That is the living room. They call it as hall. Okay. He goes into the kitchen, but she is not there. Inside the kitchen also, he goes, he opens all the cupboards, you see the storeroom, everything. keeps on calling, Polly, where are you? Polly, where are you? Like that, okay? So next one, come to the below para children. Oh dear, where are you? Ben says. So Ben is asking, oh dear, where are you? Now he looks for her in his room. So he goes to his room. Ben goes to his room. He is searching under the bed, everywhere inside the cupboard, behind the windows, behind the curtains. Everywhere he's searching, he is not able to find it. Okay, like that. He looks for her on the table. So there will be a study table in his room, no? So he starts seeing on the table also. It is not there. He looks for her under the bed. You can see him. He is under the cot, peeping peeping outside the bed sheet. Okay. He looks under the bed. He is not there. He looks for behind the door. Behind the door, if he is hiding, he went and saw, but he is not there. He looks for her in the cupboard. Cupboard is the place where you keep your clothes, children. That is called as cupboard. Okay, but Polly is not there. Polly is not been seen anywhere. He went for 3 places. One is living room, one is kitchen, and one is his bedroom. Okay. Now come to the next page, children. Next page, page number 34. Page number 34. Okay. Ben is sad. He goes into the garden. So Ben became very sad, started crying. My Polly is missing. My parrot is missing. Where he has gone? Where he has gone? You keep on roaming all over your house, in garden, everywhere. He started searching like. So lastly, Ben is sad. He goes into the garden. Polly, are you there? He says. So, Polly, are you there? He's calling her, calling Polly. Are you there? He says. He looks at the tree. The leaves move like this. Okay, he looks at the tree. There was a big tree in their garden. Okay, the leaves started shaking there. Okay, so Ben runs to the tree and there he sees Polly. So, what is the thing, children? See, the tree has also green leaves and the parrot color also is green. Very difficult to find out the parrot. Okay. So leaves are also green and the parrot also will be green. No. So how we found out? The leaves started shaking inside the tree. So then Ben runs to the tree and there he sees Polly sitting inside the tree. What is Polly doing on the tree? What are you doing? Polly is eating a fruit. Okay. So she is happy. Ben is happy too. So she has got a fruit from the tree. So she is holding it. You can see in the picture. The last picture what you see here, she is holding a fruit in her leg and she is eating it, children. Okay. So what is Polly doing on the tree? Polly is eating a fruit. She is happy and Ben is happy too. Okay. So now I have completed the lesson, children. This was a very small, pretty lesson about the parrot. So I'll give you one small information. What does a parrot eat, children? What are if you bring a parrot to the home, if it is like your pet at home, what all you feed the parrot, children? Okay, they eat nuts, vegetables, flowers, fruits, seeds. They have a stony jaw, means a strong jaw. That is beak, what you call it as jaws is called as a beak. Okay, they allow them to break them. Okay, if they are eating the nuts, what they do, they break it in their beak only. Okay, so this is the beak. This is the beak. Okay, they break in that and they eat the fruits, vegetables. Vegetables means it is soft one. Vegetable will be soft, so it will chew it and eat it off. But the nuts what you give, like groundnut, walnut, those things all if you give, no, it will break in the beak and it will eat. The most favorite is mango and guava is very favorite to parrot children. Okay, like that. Okay, so now I have completed this lesson. Okay, today I'll give you the assignment, children. Yes, come towards the board now. I'll give you a small assignment. There are 15 spellings here. In that 15 spellings, you need to write three times and bring it, children. Okay? Yes. Now take down your English homeworks. Take out your English homework. English homework. Yes, assignment. Right? 3 times. So as I'm telling you, each class, your handwriting should be neat. Okay, and the words also very clearly. If you're not able to see to the board, children, take out your textbook, see the words, see the letters properly and the words properly, read it nicely and write it very neatly, children. Okay, I told you single ruled book. If they're given in from the school, single ruled book only, it is okay. You can write your homework, but the classwork should be in the 4-line book, children. Okay. Very neatly, if you write, I'll give you star and smileys also in your book, classworks and homeworks, children. Okay. Be like a good children. Whatever ma'am tells, listen to her carefully and do your homeworks, children. Okay. Yes. Come towards the board now. Yes, you need to write it as 3 times. Okay. Yes, the first one is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Second one, green. The parrot color is green. Cage. The home of a bird. Okay, next is sunny. Sunny means sun is being seen outside, no? In the sky. So that is a sunny day. Okay. Next is kitchen. Kitchen. Next is cupboard. Cupboard is the place where you keep your clothes, and in the kitchen also you can store your groceries, children. Okay, groceries means the things what you bring, rice, dal, those things all you bring, no? Mommy will keep it in the cupboard inside and she'll close the door. No? That is a cupboard. Okay. Next is the door. So door, you know. Table is the place where you sit and study and write your homeworks. Garden is a place where you plant trees, plants and trees. Okay. Garden. Leaves. So from the beginning, when a small plant is being sowed in when a small seed is sowed in a soil, so gradually small plant will become to a big tree. So the time when the small plant only is coming out, you can see small baby leaves will be there. Then it will grow to a bigger thing, bigger plant, then to a tree. Okay, that is leaves. Okay, fruit. What is fruit? Yes, fruit is a thing what you eat every day. Okay, apple, mango, grapes, many things are there, no? In fruits, different fruits are there. Season wise, you can eat it nicely, children. It's good for your health also. Every day make a habit of eating apple, children. It is very good for you. Okay, happy. Happy. Once you see your pet back, so if it is lost, it comes back to your home, what do you feel? You feel happy. Yes. Living room. Living room is the place where I told you sofa, TV, those things all will be kept, no? It is called as living room. Okay, next is bed. Bed is a place where you sleep at night. And lastly comes the tree. Okay, so I've given you 15 words, children. Okay, complete it. How many times I have given you? 3 times I have given you. 3 times very neatly. I want you to write it. Once again, I'll explain. Parrot, parrot. Green, green. Cage, sunny, sunny. kitchen, kitchen. cupboard, cupboard. door, table, garden, leaves, fruit, happy, happy. Come to the next one. living, room, room. 14th one is bed. 15th is tree. Yes, got it now, children? Okay, so next class, I'll give you the exercises, children. Okay, and one more thing. So in this month, 16th will be your FA1 test, children. So next class, we'll be giving the revision for you, the test. Okay, for the test. So now this remaining exercises, if possible, I'll give you in the next class, or we'll start up the revision and complete it. Then we'll go for the exercises, children. Okay. So I'll meet up you in the next class. Thank you so much, children.